Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to learn how to make a 3D origami piece. Okay, so firstly, you need a piece of A4 paper. You can either divide it to 2 pieces, 4 pieces, 8 pieces, 16 pieces, or 32 pieces. It's all up to you. So now, cut up the pieces. Okay, so now, take a piece, fold it in half, fold it in half again, open it, okay, flip it over, okay, do you see this line? Fold this edge to this line. Do this for the other side. Now turn it over. Fold this corner to this part. Same for the other side. Now fold these two parts upwards. Now fold it in half. And it's done. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Goodbye.